In this video, I will show you how to use the NotebookLM Deep Research feature to automatically gather and analyze dozens of web sources for your projects. I'll start by clicking the Create New button on the homepage to open a fresh project. When the source modal appears, I hover over the web option and select Deep Research to perform a more comprehensive search than a standard query. I'll type my topic into the search bar and click the blue arrow to begin. Now, the AI starts the planning phase in the left sidebar. It mentions that I'm free to leave the page while it works, but I'll stay here to monitor the progress. You can see it moving through 5 distinct steps, where it autonomously browses the web, researches relevant websites, and analyzes the results. It continuously updates its progress as it finds and filters high-quality information from across the internet. Once the research is complete, it shows that it has found 50 top sources for my topic. I click Import to bring all of that curated knowledge into my notebook. On the left, I can now scroll through an extensive list of every source it gathered. To put this information to use, I'll select all the sources and click a suggested question in the chat about the difference between fast and deep research. As the AI reads through the imported material, it identifies core questions and outlines key characteristics. It then generates a detailed response explaining that while fast research is great for quick mapping, deep research acts as an autonomous agent for in-depth exploration. Finally, I can look at the source guide to see a perfectly organized summary of everything we've found. That's how easy it is to master a complex topic using deep research. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.